So, boys, congratulations. But this word, congratulations. Because it's not only congrats, it's not the end, it's not the start. No. It's without the ball. With the ball, you could be better. Really, you could be better with the ball. But without the ball, boys, chapeau for all of you. Okay? So well deserved this comeback. Again, one more. And this team has no limits. This team has no limits. I want this desire. I want this passion, this energy from all of you. Okay? So congratulations all of you. This is for you.